Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Taylor and today I am going to be doing a quick unboxing video for you all. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for KC Republic, and I have with me a KC Republic brow extension starter kit, which is like this. And then I also have a KC Republic mink lashes extensions kit as well. So both of these items are available on their website as well as Amazon. Be sure to check the description box below for a 10% off code for you guys if you are interested in these products or any other products they have. And I'm just going to unbox it and show you guys how it comes and how to use it. So let's start off with the brow extension starter kit. It comes like this. Obviously it came in a like a package, but this is how it comes. And I'm just gonna show you guys the back. You can't really see, but it just has the what's in this box. So it says brow extension starter kit, brow extension, light brown, 5 to 8 millimeter mixed tray. I think it's millimeter. It's crazy because I have a lash extension license, if you guys didn't know, so I'm really interested in the lash extension kit. I went to cosmetology school. I think that was 6 years ago. We didn't cover brow extensions, but we did cover brow tinting. So I want to see like the different colors and stuff, because I do get my brows tinted every now and then. So as well on the back it says brow extension glue and pro curved tweezers. So in the box you're gonna have your tweezers, you're gonna have your eyebrow extension glue, and your trays. These are the trays that come in the box, and it's by color. So we have a light brown, a dark brown, a brown, and a black. So everything is labeled very nicely. Light brown is right here, dark brown is right here, brown right here, and then there's black. I feel like if I was to get brow extensions, I would want the dark brown ones just so they could look natural. Let's pull out a light brown because I know I'm not going to use it. These are the light browns, if you guys can see. We're just gonna pop this open. So this is what the inside looks like. The hair is really soft. Y'all hear that? That's the hair. It's actually not soft. Soft wasn't the right word for me to use. It's soft, but it's not flimsy. So I feel like if you were to use this on your eyebrows, it wouldn't really go anywhere. You wouldn't have to worry about, you know, them falling off or something like that. Here's the glue. I'm just taking the glue out for you guys. And then here's the tweezers. So if you guys don't know how, I'll just well, actually I'm gonna demonstrate on the mink lashes, but I'm guessing you're gonna use them the same way. Just use the tweezers, pick a piece of hair off, dip it in the glue, and put it on your eyebrow. That is what I think that you would do. So with the mink eyelash extensions, it comes in this box, but it also already had the eyelash glue and the tweezers outside of this box. So I'm guessing in this box, this is only the trays. Only the trays come in this box, and your tweezers for the eyelash extensions and your glue for the eyelash extensions are gonna come outside of the box. Okay, so like I was saying, in this box it's just the trays, and there's 4 trays in here as well. So we have a 14, a 12, a 10, and an 8. And if you don't know what that is, that's just like the length of the lash extension, and they're all 0.10. So here is the tweezers for the mink lashes. I'm gonna take the protective little piece off so you guys can see what it looks like. If you've never seen the tweezers that people use to apply mink eyelash extensions, and this is what it looks like. It's curved at the top, just so, and it's very, very, very sharp. So I'm glad that it comes with this thing, and actually both of them do. Just so you guys know, both tweezers do come with the protective piece, because this is very, very sharp, because you need to be able to pick up these teeny tiny lashes. I'm about to show you right now how you pick them up. Oh, let's see if I still got it. Okay, so I just picked one up. I don't know if you guys can see, because I can't see, but this is what it looks like right here. This is an eyelash, and I just picked one up from the 10mm tray. So that's how that works. Just like with the eyebrow extension kit, it comes with glue. And if you're interested in using this, if you are a lash tech out there, I will say that these tweezers they feel so good. They're stainless steel, and they kind of have like a matte look to them. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I really, really, really like the way these feel. And it was about time for me to get some new tweezers for eyelash extensions, so I'm glad that these came with it. Here's the glue. Let me see what color it is, because that's important too. It looks like it's black though. So this is a black glue, which is how I learned how to apply eyelash extensions. I use black glue as well, and I'm actually about to see if I can stick one. Let me see, let me grab another one. It's probably too late. Dip. Let's put it right here. Dip. Yep. I don't know if you guys can see her, but she's on there. There she is. So I just took a little bit off and put it in some glue, dipped it in some glue, and just attached it. Yeah, and it stuck that easy. That was very, very fast drying glue, which is great, especially if you're a lash tech. You know what I'm talking about. Some people might not like really fast drying glue, but I would prefer it, just so the lashes that you are applying to your client doesn't just slip and slide off, and you can move on to the next area and grab the next lash that you would like. So you don't have to dwell on that for that long and wait a long time for the glue to dry. I got both of these products off of Amazon.com, where I want to say they're $19. I'm going to have all the information in the description box about both of these products and the links to both of these products, as well as their website. And please do not forget, if you are interested in this, I will have a 10% off coupon code in the description box. If you want 10% off these products, use this coupon code. Like I said, these are already affordable. You're getting 4 trays, the glue, and the tweezers. If you're a beginner lash tech, I think you should look into these products, only because you know, like I know how expensive it can be to keep up with your lash products, especially glue. If you guys did not know, this lash glue is usually so expensive when you buy it by itself. When I have to purchase it and re-up on lash glue, it is very expensive. So you're getting a pack for $20. You're getting the tweezers, you're getting some glue, and you're getting 4 trays. And I'm pretty sure they sell all this stuff separately. I just got the kit. All I have is the kit, but they do sell these things separately. And please look into the brow extension kit as well. This is really cool. I really am thinking about trying this on myself, just because I don't have nothing else to lose. So if you guys enjoyed this video and this unboxing, then let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below, and make sure you follow me on all my social media networks. They'll be on the screen after this one. A big shout out to Casey Republic for having me do this video for you guys. I really enjoyed the products. They're really nice, and I'm definitely going to put this glue and these tweezers and these lash trays to use. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.